Starting at the mailbox, it's going to be 14 feet wide. Over 10 feet becomes 10 wide. 10 feet in, it's already begun to flare out. So roughly, that's 10 feet in. And it's roughly 26 feet wide here and 25 feet deep, which means it's 35 from the outside of the driveway. 10 foot wide, 15 feet in becomes 12 wide. And then, like I say, over another 10 feet, it opens up 26. We're going to go in the middle between the post and that edge. So it's about 3 feet off. They want it facing more left than straight. And then the driveway's 10 feet wide. This is 40 feet from the garage. That's 10 feet wide. Go 10 feet up more. That's 12 feet wide. Go 15 more feet up. And this is lined up with that garage. From here over is, I think, 17 feet wide. And then we're going to go all the way to the corner of the house. And then from there to the corner of the garage is 18. We're going to fill this in. Do a 45 here. Remove and replace this. And as a line item, which you can see, keeping that curve, we're going to go 9 feet off of the corner of the house. Basically, back to this 40 mark, where that joint would be.